Ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hakasi thok di jong tayo kala shime karai ban penjelan no ikajing trekam jong ki license nong sam upnyang sarang bat ki nong sam tendong leer shat jing shat ni LPG nakashi snem shakasan snem yakani karai la shim da ka jing yelang jong ka kunhun menteri kabala long leng ba ka jing penkla thamai ni ka amendment yaki rule kat kum ka jing ajing mot jong sarkar pedeng
Habaikran bekilar patai kubur dan kajing gelang Menteri Ketenat Food and Civil Supplies James PK Sangma uliya thua ba kajing penjelan ni license jong ginong sam upnen syarat kelawan leng ba kajing penkela ya ka Meghalaya Kerosene Licensing and Distribution Order ka kendai spa Prapupra. Wong bagani kajing penkela kelawan ru leng ba kajing tha jong Ketenat Consumer Affairs Food but Public Distribution ka Sarkar Pedeng. James PK Sangma upentip Ketenat Petroleum and Natural Gas ke Sarkar Pedeng kala batha aru ibro ki jela kari bagian perkelano aki rule bayadai bagi jing penterekam jong ki license bala aish kinong sam tendong leer jing shed bakan dunai kesan senam wong Ketenat Food but Civil Supplies kelawan ra ke jing terwa ban penkelai ke Meghalaya LPG Regulation for Sale and Distribution Order ka kendai spa Prapupra bat ka kenhun menteri kala ai ke jing menjur Nalor kania ke kenhun menteri kelarai ru bantau no ya ke State Consumers Welfare Fund Rules and Guidelines kat kum kejing betha Ketenat Consumer Affairs Food and Public Distribution ban yo obo ya ke Corpus Fund hala ke jong ke Consumers Welfare Fund ka ban long shipok lur tengka ya ke ba kandai pon ke sispa kan be ke Sarkar Pedeng ba chipon ke sispa ke Sarkar Jela Giwai pat kirai bela shim de ke kenhun menteri ki kenthop ke jing thau thamai no ke Meghalaya General Provident Fund Rules arjar arpo ban pun kot no ek jing terekam jong ke Meghalaya GPF Rules ka kendai spa propusan bat ka jing pekla thamai ke Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act.
Because of the voluminous nature of these proposed amendments in the rules, the cabinet, the ERAC reviewed and re-examined the whole amendment of the GPF rules approved by the cabinet, incorporated all the amendments in the new rules and recommended to repeal the existing GPF rules. So therefore, instead, since it was found to be that these amendments were too exhaustive, it was recommended that the existing GPF rules be repealed and a new Meghalaya Civil Services General Provident Fund Rules 2020 be brought. So therefore, this was brought to the cabinet today. The Meghalaya Civil Services General Provident Funds Rule 2020 and also the repealing of the existing Meghalaya Civil Service General Provident Fund Rules 1985, and accordingly the cabinet has approved